Hello, update on my progress through the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing in the 4%. Today I'm going to cover Session 6. We have previously covered the other sections. They're available on my blog. I'll leave a link below for my blog. If you missed any of those, you can go back and take a look. In Section 6, we are finally ready. Now that we have our basic business built, our home on the internet that we built with eStage, and again, just as a reminder, eStage and the Success Challenge are available for people who are gold members and above. All the training comes with the gold membership, 1 year of eStage and 1 year of Chicky Boom. We're going to talk about Chicky Boom a little later. So right now, just start covering the Session 6, which was activating the cash machines. You have to have your basic business built and everything in place in order to start activating cash machines. What we're going to do in this session is we're going to start attaching funnels to our hub, so that the funnels will be on the same platform as our hub, and we'll be able to then start driving traffic to our funnels and start making some sales. So that's pretty exciting. We're just about at the point where we can start making some money. So in Session 6, Vic went through a checkpoint, which is making sure we had done all the previous required steps, and then we reviewed in Step 2 the clear targets that we had set earlier in the Success Challenge. So he wanted to make sure that we had our targets clearly in mind as we're going forward to start adding some cash machines. So then in Step 3, we started activating cash machines. And let me just take you quickly over to Chicky Boom. This is my back office. Most of these would be available for gold members and above. If you're just a basic member, you will not see all these things in your back office. But down here you have the courses. There are some courses that are available for basic members. And then eStage is only available for gold members and above. Trading Signals is a stock trading company that 4% has corroborated with. If you're interested in that type of thing, you can take a look at that. But we're going to look today at marketing funnels in the Chicky Boom. Now, Chicky Boom contains all the offers, the main offers that 4% has. So, AMA Academy, of course, takes you to the Success Challenge. This sells the Success Challenge. In order to sell any of the 4% products, you have to be a VIP promo partner. So VIP promo partner is a separate position that is still available. 4% may not always have this available, but right now it is available for anyone who wants to be a VIP promo partner, and they will be able to sell all the 4% products. So AMA Academy starts out with a Success Challenge and then progresses into more advanced training later on. But that would be available only for VIP promotion partners. Wealth Autopilot is available to anyone who belongs to 7K Metals. 7K Metal is another company that the 4% cooperates with, and it is available to anyone with a basic membership or above. Mass Traffic Blueprint is not available currently in the Chicky Boom. It is available for people who sign up for it to take the course in the basic courses. Sacred Funnel Strategy is one of Russell Brunson's products, which is available to sell for anybody. And also this YouTube Business Builder is available for anybody to sell. This is an Anthony Morrison product. 4% has corroborated with him in order to sell this particular product. So that's basically Chicky Boom. Those are available to people, as I stated, with some restrictions. And so when I was going through here, I built the Advanced Marketing Academy funnel, and I also built the 7K funnels, along with a couple others. But those are the main ones. I've been running traffic to both of those. In the next session, I'll cover some of the sales that I've started to make. Let's just take a quick look over at the Advanced Marketing Academy funnel, and it's over here on my website. This is the registration page for the video, which is a webinar selling the Advanced Marketing Academy, and that starts out with the Success Challenge. So anyone who buys in here can take the Success Challenge. If I click on this button, I'd be able to register for the webinar. I'd have to put an email in, and then continue on here where you'd select the date for the webinar, put a name in, and confirm your registration. I'm not going to do that right now because I've been through there before, but that's basically what happens. If anyone who registers for the webinar will be taken to a confirmation page, and on the confirmation page, they'll select the specific webinar that they wish to watch, and then when that becomes available, they can watch it. So that's basically how the funnels work here. This landing page, registration page, is on my hub, so it has the same address as my hub. And now I'll take you back to there's the Chicky Boom, and over here is the Success Challenge. So he talked about how to activate all these. In the Chicky Boom, if you click on any of the offers that are available to you, there's complete video instructions on how to set it up. But there's various options. You can grab an affiliate link and you can promote your affiliate link. That's not recommended, but you could do that. And you could drive traffic to your affiliate link. That will take them to the webinar, which is used to sell the product. And so anyway, that's pretty much it. We got the cash machines activated. Vic did some reviews of hubs. He did not review my hub yet. And then there's a video here called Dream Big, which is helping us with our mindset. And then a quick review of what we did, and we were all done with session 6. So next time I'll cover session 7, and I'll talk a little about some sales that I've made. So stay tuned for that. Click on the button below and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell to be notified when I post future videos. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.